I'm Aisha Naz Ansari, my full name, and I'm working as an educational researcher at Aga Khan University, Karachi, Pakistan. So my role in ESSEC was, I was working group member for AI group that was supposed to develop certain guidelines for responsible and safe use of AI for evidence synthesis. So as per my contribution, so I feel that the representation of an early career from Pakistani context or global South context and specifically from education department is rarely seen everywhere. So I feel that my contribution was a bit of contextual, coming from ground of education and then global South. So that was my contribution, and my learning is that being an early career from Pakistani context is different to have a collaboration with international audience and with a kind of expert of the field. So that was kind of like my learning in terms of professional. And then for academics and other things, that my learning is that for a kind of consensus or a kind of decisions or a kind of like having certain those guidelines which are necessary for academia and for decision making processes, we need to cater those audience who are working and are also part of those contexts which are suffering or marginalized in terms of like representation.
So what do you hope to see or excited about in terms of impact? So for the lives of others globally, what do you see ESSEC's mission impacting?
Okay, so the mission and vision is very much positive, but what I am forecasting is that the actual implementation might create an impact, but I think we need to integrate AI in an ethical manner with taking human in the loop, or we need to create a collaboration between human and AI in order to like have ethical and we can say academically integrated integrity ensured in the decision making processes in order to improve lives in actual manner. And I think the positive, the majorly a kind of distinct feature was the representation from various contexts and various domains. That is, I think, a kind of history making event which is happening here with a kind of representation from various stakeholders and various contexts. So that is something very much exciting, and yes, the kind of discussion is very much insightful and I'm hoping for an impactful evidence synthesis which is going to transform lives in actual manner.